Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are creating some basic admin commands. So first what we're going to do, we're going to add a script, like that. Then we're going to do whenever the player is added. So game.players.player added, connect, and then the function. So whenever it's added, this player is added, it will fire this function, which then's got a variable of the player. So player.chatted, so this is whenever the player chats, connect, and then function, and then this is message not lowered because it hasn't been lowered yet. So and then local message not split equals message not lowered lower. And what we need to do, we need the local normal message equals message not split. So then we're going to split this, split like that. So once we split it, like that, we're going to do if, and then message equals kill, and we're going to have no prefix for this. So if message1 equals kill, we do need to create a variable. So local player character, so that's just that for short, equals game.workspace find first child message and then 2. This is because we need to find the player who they are using the command on. So then we're going to put then there, and then we're going to do player character. So this is the character what they're using commands on, and then .humanoid.health and equals 0. So then it should kill the player. So once we've done that, then should let me in. So now that I'm in, I'll say kill and my username, and then there's an error. So we're going to view output. We'll see line 2. Line 2, that's not a thing. So that's chatted. I'm going to change it to chatted just then. So now we should get in. And let's try it again. And kill, and then your username. So you can do this with all the players. Right, so now that I know that that works, we're going to do else if. So this is if they use a different command. So now we're going to make a TP command. Then game.humanoid. Game.humanoid. Now game.workspace. Find first child. Player.name.humanoid. Root part position equals, so this is where the player is, this is where your character is, the person who's using the command is, so this is where they are. So we're going to move that to there. So player character dot humanoid root part dot position. So that will work. Now let's do else if message1, and then let's do a different command. So let's do, I don't know, kick. Then, so this is just basic admin. So message, then player char, game.players dot find first child, and then it is then the player char.name, and then kick, like that. That should kick them. Else if, then message 1, and then we'll do another command. So let's say speed. Then we're going to do message 1. Wait, no. We can't. Here we go. Message 3. Game dot player char dot humanoid dot speed, no, walk speed equals, and then we'll do message 3 else if, so that's speed, message 1, and let's say jump power, and then player char dot humanoid dot jump power, and then that's going to equal message and then 3. So this video may take a little bit longer than others. So now that I'm back in here, we're going to continue with some other commands. You're probably wondering, what happens if I wanted to make it so only certain people can do it? So you can either add if player dot name equals and then the name, or if player get rank in group and then your group ID, so let's just say that was your group ID, and then is greater than or equals to 15, then, and then that would work. But you don't need to have that if you don't want to. So you could, as I've done in one of my other tutorials, we can do else if message 1 equals, and then we'll do size, then player char dot humanoid dot, and then if I remember from the tutorial, we need to go into play, and then we need to get all the 4 values. So there it is inside of workspace, inside my humanoid, inside of there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, which we wait. These 4 we need. I'm just going to copy those, so remember the name. Paste into, and then player char dot humanoid dot body depth scale. Remember, you need to spell all of these right, and then dot value, because this is a value. As you can see here, 1, 1, 1, 1 equals, and then message 3 else if, and then, oh wait, no, we need to keep on doing this command. So here we go, humanoid dot body height scale, so remember you do need to spell it right, and then dot value equals message and then 3, and we'll do the same with the others. Like this. So now we're doing the width equals message 3, and then we'll do player char. This is the final one, which is the head. So head scale dot value and equals message 3. So that's making the size larger and smaller. So now we need to do this. But if that's the amount of commands we want, we do need to make a GUI. So like in other command series, there is a GUI at the bottom. So I'm just going to create one, edit one, and just watch the little clip. So once you've done that, so I've added a remote event in replicator storage and a local script in the GUI. So once we've done that, we do need to delete these. You don't actually need to, but it will just look much better. So do script.parent. And I forgot which one it was. Something about input ended. Connect function. I'm just going to do that. Print 3. So let's see if this. Wait, we'll just do print work. So then we'll go to view, and then the output, and then let's see if this works. So we're going to go inside the game, and we're going to oh, that's not how it should work. So I'll just skip the video until I find this. So I found it. It is focus lost. So now that I know that it works, I'm just going to change the name of this. Enter. So you can either lose focus of it by tapping it away, or just by pressing enter. Then we're going to do game. Then we're going to do game.replicatorStorage.enter fire server. But we need to leave a variable there. So what we're going to do is script.parent.text, and then we're going to do a variable local text equals, and then that. So we're going to, so there's a variable when we fire this. So we're going to this, but instead of this function, we're going to do this here. So we're going to do game.replicatorStorage.enter on server event connect function, and then this is going to be player, and then text. So this, yep, works, but I'm going to do player 2 for this. So that should all work. So, and then we're going to do Control C, Control V. This is going to be, oh, we do need to split text. Text. Not, and then we're going to do lowered. Not split equals text not lowered, and then we're going to lower it, and then local text equals text not split, and then we're going to do split, and then just like that. Once we've done that, if text and then 1, and we're just going to do local player char equals game.workspace find first child message 2, nope, text 2, text not, so once we've done that, text So we're going to go into the game and let's test it out. So once we're in the game, we're going to do kill and then the username, and you can see it kills them. So once they're dead, then we can just do another command. You see, it all works. But if you wanted this to be visible for only certain people, you could do if local player equals game.players. So just like this, I'll show you. So local player equals game.players dot local player if player dot name equals and then let's just say, so this isn't my username, script.parent.visible equals true, and then else, not if, script.parent.visible equals, no, script.parent.parent.visible equals false. Ooh, we do need this to go here instead. So whenever I go into the game, it shouldn't show me the bar. So I'm in, and I can't see the bar. Well, if I was to set it to my username, so you can use the get ranking group thing, like I did before. So we're just loading in, and now I can see it. So that all works. So now we're going to add a couple more commands, and I will be having a part 2 to this. So if you want, I'll create a part 2 and you can do all of these. So we could have, so we now have to set for both of these. So instead of it being one, we're going to have to set. So if there's one command here, there should be one command here. So else if text1 equals, and then we're going to do something like health. Then we're going to set the player's health. So player char dot health, and once we set the health, so player char dot health, no, player char dot humanoid dot health, and seeing as it's inside the humanoid, not as a child, we don't need to have value. So then it would equal to text3. Oh, and we can have a GUI at the bottom here which says invalid arguments or something like that. So if it says invalid arguments, that means that there isn't enough arguments. So we could do that next episode, but for now we're just going to stick with this. So we're just going to copy this and put that here, and we're going to swap that with message and message, and we could set FF, which their max health, so player char dot hum, and that needs to come just before that. So player char dot humanoid dot max health equals, and then text, and then 3. So now once we've done that, we could do another command. So our next command is, need to just fix that. So next command is else if text1 and then equals, and then we're going to do next command, which should it be? It should be jump. So jump, then, so if the command equals jump, then player char dot jump equals true. Now I haven't tested this one, so we're just going to see if it works. So going to go into here, jump, and then your username. Nope, it didn't work. So we're just going to see what happened. Oh, we need to go inside the humanoid. I forgot. So jump.humanoid dot jump equals true. So that seems more promising. So let's see if this works. So go into here, jump, and then their username. See, it made me jump. Jump, then their username, and you can see it works. So our next command, we need to actually copy and paste this into, so just copy that, paste it, and we just need to set a message. So our next command is else if text1 equals, and then sit. So this is a different one. Then, so this is player char dot humanoid dot sit equals true, and that will work as well. And message. So that's all looking like it's working. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you want a part 2 to this and you want me to carry on with this, remember to add some command ideas in the description. I'll try my best to do them. Hope you have a great day, and consider subscribing, like if you like it, don't if you don't, dislike if you dislike, etc, etc. Have a great day. Bye.